So now we learn about this panel, modify panels. So here, so many tools are given you. Let's we start how to use it. First is the move. Everybody is knowing move. Just select and enter, then move it. This is the move. Rotate. Just come to here, select this point, enter, then pick a corner and rotate it. This is the means rotate. And trim here I am making two lines, this, okay. This is the lines I draw here. Then we use the trim, then just click once here. Then it's asking the cutting edge, crossing, mode, project and erase. So first erase, you see anywhere you come, this line, after this line we can cut like here, here we cut, means erasing, okay. Now I escape and control undo, then line is here. Then again I select this string, then we select the cutting edge. Then I'm going to select one edge this, and enter, then come to here, then I can cut only this one, okay. This is use of the trim. You can cut line or erase anywhere you want or trim it. This is means. And here downside one is the extended. Just click here and is asking the boundary, otherwise you select like that, then this line will become up to here, okay, here. But if you have another one line here like that, then again you select extend, then this line will become up to here, means up to the first object, okay. But I want to up to here, then how do we do? Just select the boundary edge and select it, then enter, then come, then this line will become up to here. This is the means of the extend line. You can use it, okay. Third one, the copy. Everybody knowing. Just select here and click on this object, enter, then it will be give the copy to us. This is the means of the copy. After that, mirror, we will make any object in the mirror. So just click once here, click here and enter. Then he wants the first point from where you want to mirror. I want to mirror from here, you see. Yes. If we select our ortho mode, then yes, like that we can do. And click here. Then it's asking us, you want to erase this one or you want to keep it here. So I'm saying I want to erase it here, then just a yes, it's gone and the copy is here, mirror copy is here. This is the means of the our mirror. Next point, first I am going to draw a rectangle. Come here and just select it here. Then I want to draw one polyline. Yes. Of the ortho mode. Yes. Okay. Now, here one is the fillet and one is the chamfer and one in the blend curve. So blend curve mostly we are not using, but fillet, like just click here, come to down, it's asking to us. So once you select here, second time you select here, it's like a chamfer. But if select here and come and I'm giving to here the radius, then give to radius, I'm giving to 60 so 60 mm radius. Then we select here and come to here. You can see here now is the radius, okay. And again we come to here fillet, okay. Then we just click here and click here. Is that nothing happening? But select and come here and see the down area here. Here you see. Just select polyline and select here once. Then you see all corners are yes as we like. Hai na? Again you select here, then come to here, multiple, yes. Then it's asking to insert, hai na? First point. I going to insert this one and this one, okay. Then hit enter again. Again you go to filter and say here undo, okay. Then just click here, okay. Means this is the part, okay. Next one I'm going to explain to here also. Come here and chamfer, then just select this line and this line. You see, it's now again joint, है ना? But this corner still is there. If you come here and yes, it's joined. Same in corner. But you see, here it's asking so many things as distance from here to here how much, or here to here how much. Then we can make a chamfer, or we can trim here multiple options like a distance. If I am select here distance, okay, it's asking to us specify chamber distance. I'm giving to here 200, okay. Then select it, okay. It's asking second point I'm going to write here 300, okay. Now we are going to select it here and select it here. You see, here to here 200 and here to here 300, it makes the chambers. This is the means of the chamber, okay. So I think this you understood. Now stretch means just to click here and enter. Then it's asking point. I'm going to the point. You can scratch it, okay. This is means scratch. And scale means okay, I'm just erase it, and again I'm going to draw a small rectangle. Then select it, scale. It's asking object. I'm select it here object, then enter. Then we take one point, any point. Then it's asking the factor, copy or reference. We are giving to reference, means I'm giving to here the 4, then enter. It will be 4 times big, yes, 4 times big, okay. And if I'm select again here and I'm giving to here 0.5, means half will be come here, scale, yes, up. So you can use the scale like that. After that, array means just you select here, okay, and you asking object. We select the object here, then enter. You see, again enter, okay. Now you select once here. You see, it's asking the between gap row is 3 here. If you want to 5 row, then just you write here 5 and enter. This is the 5 row now, okay. And total this much, and between gap is this, column is this. You see, column is the 4. If you make the column 10 here, write the 10, then it will be 10, okay. So this is the our array. Now I'm going to again undo, okay. This is the one. second array type you see, and come here, the polar array. Just I am going to click here, then select object, then enter. Okay, then pick a center point. I am going to pick here center point. Okay, now enter. You see now in the circular or circular center you can see here. Here you can change also row and item. Item I want to 10 here. Just I am write 10 item here. Then it's 10. Okay. Then row here I'm going to write the 2. You see row is 2. And level is also 2 US. You see. So we can use like that the array. You see here so many editing, closing, the options are here. So when we will draw something, then we'll use this all. Okay, this is the means of the array. So I think you understood how to we use the array. So the next is the same. This is the erase point. Erase is just to come and select and enter, then all will be go. Means delete, same is the delete. And another thing is that exploded, means it's be using for the object. Like I'm going to draw one small circle and a rectangle. Yes. Another one line. Yes. This is the now 3 things, but separate. If I will make the object, then Control C and come to here, then okay. See, now is the here is the separate, and here is the one. If you select, then all will select because it's the one object. Here is the 3 object. If you want to make again it's the in the 3 separate object, then how to we use this explode, come to here and select anywhere here and enter. Now it's again the 3 items. See, one is this one, second and third, same as previous. And after that offset, I'm going to draw one line and one rectangle, okay, one circle. We will use the offset. Just click here and it's asking how far you want to offset. Here 100 already written. I'm just select it and select this line and go to this side here. Okay, you can see it's offset already. Okay, it's small, that's we can't see. Just select it here and go to offset. I'm giving to distance here 2000. Okay, then we select it and come this side, then you can see and select it and come this side, it's offset. And here you select and come inside and select here, then this 2000 mm, the offset, come here inside, come out, this is the offset. So I think you understood the offset. So main tools, in the modify tools you understood. And here if you come down, then here many small tools, mostly we are not using much, but just small I can tell to you. This is the change the space between the 2 objects, and this the line length is length we can increase, and this edit the polylines, means if I draw one polyline here, okay, and we go to here, then edit the polyline, come here, select the polyline. Okay, now here options, how do we want to close vertex, fit, SP line. Just I am showing one these things. If they go to SP lines, okay, it's converted in this. Okay, and D curve again, then yes, same. Okay. So we can use this tools somewheres, but I think not a much different, like it's saying the break, So we want to put a break in this rectangle here, okay, and here. You see, it's break it, and just break point in a, you see next point is the break. It's showing here break, and if I click twice here, then we can't see, but if you select, then we see here is the point mark. So not a much using this point. Sometimes we have to use it. And another one point like a I'm right, draw a rectangle, okay, and change the layer, then the point. Again I'm writing the a rectangle here, okay. Now see, this is the two rectangle, one is the down and one is the up. If we want to down, send to down this and bring to up another, then just you use this is the somehow usable, means draw order, this to bring to front, or just you can use here send to back, okay. Just click enter here. That is now downside. If you bring again to here, then you select here and here, click, then send to back and enter. Yes. Most this using sometimes, and this one using I told. Other is the very small, the edit hats, arrays, this all things we can edit. This is modify means we can edit the existing object. This is means of the modified panel. So modified panel is now completed it. And I think you understood it.